we plant is love. Every seed we plant is life. And we must gather seeds to plant. And we must gather seeds to share. It's how our people survive the past. It's how our children go on from here. Every seed we plant is life. Every seed we plant is peace. Where the winds of hatred blow and the drums of war resound, we must care for those in need. We must search for common ground. Every seed we plant is peace. Every seed we plant is hope. And we must nurture living soil. And we must give thanks for the rain. And in this work we'll find our joy. Every breath we breathe through grace. Every seed we plant is hope. Every seed we plant is love.